In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder, upload a file, and share a folder or file using Dropbox. First, let's start from the very beginning with creating a new folder. The first step is to navigate to your Dropbox homepage. Once you're there, look right at the top, just beneath the search bar, and you'll notice a button that says Plus Create. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will magically appear before your eyes. In this menu, you'll want to select Folder from the list of options. This is where the magic of organization starts. By creating folders, you can manage your content more effectively and maintain an organized workspace. After clicking on Folder, you'll see a prompt that asks you to name your folder. Here's a quick tip. Choose a name that's either specific, which helps in quickly identifying its contents, or broad, if you plan to store related items together. Once you've decided on a name, simply click Create. With just a few clicks, congratulations, you've successfully set up a new folder in your Dropbox. Next, let's move on to the exciting task of uploading a file. Open the folder where you want to store the file. Once inside, you'll notice an option at the top that says Upload. When you click this, you'll be greeted with two main choices. You can either opt to upload files if you plan to add individual files, or you can choose Upload Folder if you've got an entire folder ready to go. Choose the option that best suits your needs. This action will open up a dialog box on your computer screen. Here, you can browse through your files. Simply select the file or folder you wish to upload and click Open to confirm your selection. From here, Dropbox takes over, handling the upload of your chosen item to the specified folder. It's truly a straightforward process to get your files securely onto the cloud. Finally, let's explore how to share a folder or file. Hover your mouse over the item you wish to share, and on the right side, you'll spot a share icon. Click on this icon, and a sharing menu will make an appearance. This menu is very user-friendly and allows you to add people directly by entering their email addresses, names, or groups. If you like, you can also include a personal message to provide context or any specific instructions. Before you hit the Share button, you'll want to decide what permissions you're granting. Do you want them to have editing capabilities, allowing them to view, comment, and edit? Or maybe you prefer to restrict them to only viewing and commenting. Once you've made those decisions, click Share, and your file or folder will be accessible to those you've chosen. A handy alternative method is also available. You can create a shared link. This is particularly useful if you want to send files to someone who doesn't have a Dropbox account. Just click Copy Link, then paste it into an email or text. From here, your recipient can access the file or folder without needing their own Dropbox account. And there you have it. Now you know how to create folders, upload files, and share your content on Dropbox. Keep exploring its features to make the most of this amazing storage tool.